Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and guys, welcome to another unboxing video. And in this video I'll be unboxing this Boat Rockers 400 on-ear wired and wireless headphones. So here it says super extra bass and 120 grams feather light. It says wireless functionality, high definition, balanced sound, and here you just have some guy's signature and nothing at the top. At the back you just get some features over here like 8 hours playback, and yeah, you can see over here standby time up to 100 hours, charging time 2 hours maximum, control your music, integrated controls, and so many other stuff. So you can just have a look. Okay, so nothing much, and here you get the Boat branding, and here you just get some more information. So the price is 1500. Okay, so yeah, just a second. Yep, so here you just get the other color variants, and you can see
packaging contains audio cable, which is the aux cable, USB charging cable, as well as on your headphones itself. And here the MRP, okay, the MRP is a bit more, but the MRP for this one, right? So here you just
will be there in this video. If possible, I will do the audio test. We'll just have a look how this looks, nothing else. Okay, yeah, so there we go. Okay, so this is the user manual. I don't know what is that. So here, this is the user manual. This is some 1-year warranty card, I think so. And this, yeah, this is just some paperwork of Boat. And yeah, if you go, you just get a plastic cover containing the aux cable as well as the micro USB charging cable. Let's keep that to the side. Now, so yeah guys, actually it is pretty light and the plastic quality also looks good. Okay? It's not like cheap ones and stuff. Here you get the Boat branding. So I got this charcoal black, and the button also like feels good. It's not like too plasticky and stuff. Okay, so I think so you can adjust this. Yeah, you can enlarge in this as well as you can make this small, even over here. To make it smaller, you can just fold it like this. Just fold it. Okay, yeah, you can fold it like this. Yeah, it's pretty light guys, it's pretty light. Okay, so yeah, it's good, it's really good. So yeah, here I don't know, I think so this is just to put the hanging thing and stuff. Get the aux cable. Here you get the charging slot, you get the volume up, down, as well as the next track and the on off button and stuff. And here you get the microphone as well as the LED light indicator. I don't know which is the microphone, which is the LED light indicator. And to turn this on, I feel you have to just long click this. Yeah, so this is the light, and this is the LED, sorry, this is the LED indicator, and this is the microphone. So yeah, I just heard some noise, I don't know. Let me just turn this off now.
Adios amigo, powering off.
So yeah, yes guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and guys, I'll be meeting you guys in the next video.